Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Western Union account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video without wasting much of our time since the process is quite easy. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Now go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in westernunion.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website for Western Union. Go to the upper right hand corner of the screen and click on login to log into your existing account. You will now find yourself in the login section. Type in your email address or your username in the first text box and type in your account's password on the next field. If you need help logging in or if you've forgotten your password, get help by clicking on Need Help Logging In and following through the prompts. After filling in your credential, click Continue and you will then be able to log into your Western Union account. So that's how you can easily sign into Western Union in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.